Monday, May 13, 2024. Our Lady of Fatima. Focus. In the world you will have tribulation, but take heart, I have overcome the world. As I was preparing to write this, I heard of a tragic incident. A young couple known to me lost their 2-year-old only child due to sudden health complications. It left many of us shaken. I wondered how the couple could ever find their faith again. But on the day she buried her baby, the mother wrote on her WhatsApp status, "This too shall pass." Perhaps, even in her unimaginable grief, she was able to connect to this promise of Jesus. Jesus calls to do the same in the great and small moments of suffering we face. Most of us know about the apparitions of Our Lady to the three children at Fatima. In the course of her message to them, Mary gave them welcome words of hope and encouragement. She promised an end to World War I that was raging at that time. She also forewarned the children that they would have their share of sorrow. But she reassured them, "You will have much to suffer, but the grace of God will be your comfort," quite like Jesus reassuring his troubled disciples. Mary told the children that their suffering would have redemptive value and would help save souls. Fruit. Despite my own trials, I must not neglect to extend the reassurance and solace of Jesus and Mother Mary to suffering people around me.